Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Teams notifications from a Bubble workflow step by step clearly. To update Teams notifications from a Bubble workflow, start by logging into your Bubble account. Navigate to the app where you want to set up the notification. Click on the Workflow tab located in the left sidebar. Select the event that will trigger your Teams notification. If you don't have an event yet, create a new workflow trigger by clicking on the Add an Event button. Choose the event type that fits your need, such as when a button is clicked or a form is submitted. Once the event is selected, add an action to the workflow by clicking on Add an Action. In the Action drop-down menu, search for and select for sending messages, choose Post. Navigate to the Teams API documentation to find the required endpoint URL for sending notifications. Enter the endpoint URL into the API configuration field in your Bubble app. Now, set the necessary headers for your API call. This usually includes authorization and content type. For the authorization header, you'll need a valid token for your Teams account. In the body of the request, structure the message you want to send. Use JSON format for this. You can include dynamic data from your Bubble app by inserting variables where needed. Once everything is set up, run a test to ensure your configuration is correct. Check the response from the API to confirm if the notification has been sent successfully. If the test is successful, you're ready to publish the changes. After publishing, your Teams notifications will be triggered according to the defined workflow. Make sure to monitor the responses in case you need to adjust any parameters later. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.